showing you a hair hack today. This one is all about the root shadow. I'm gonna show you how to build a root shadow into your foil work. All right, this hair hack, building your root shadow into your foil work, is great for somebody who wants a more ribbony effect and you don't necessarily have time to shadow root, or you just wanna build in that extra blend insurance. We're gonna take a horizontal section. This would be working all the way up, but I'm just gonna show you guys one foil here. Take a horizontal section, clip that out of the way. So we're going to take a pretty wide weave here. I'm gonna take 3 on this side of her head. As I work my way up and the section gets wider, I would probably take 4, but this is a good gap that you want between your weaves right here. So closest to her face, I'm going to tease this just a tiny little bit. I don't want much, just a little bit of a tease. I love this YS Park teasing comb because those short little teeth in there make it really easy. Then as I work back onto my next weave, I'm going to go down a little bit further, slide my comb in, and push it up, but notice that I'm only teasing on this one weave. I'm not teasing this one again. I'm only working right here. Slide it out, and then as I get back to my last weave here, I'm gonna do this one, 2 or 3 teases. What this is doing is it's pushing less hair up here, more, and then the most. So this is going to build in that shadow root that kind of teardrops back away from the face. I'm gonna clean that up a little. And when I'm ready to paint, I'll go ahead and slide my foil underneath. I've done some work with my teasing, but I'm also going to build my root shadow in with the way that I paint. So I'm gonna start higher up, closer to the face, and my paint is going to angle back as I work my way back. Go ahead and blend. Always keeping in mind that we are working at a diagonal back away from the face. And then all of this down here will be full saturation. Beautiful. So we have small amount of tease, a little bit more, and most toward the back, painted in a diagonal back design. We're going to close that up. We're good to go.